Wow, that's a close one. But, at the head of the village, I don't know which one. A white car enters the screen. Just as it was about to reach the intersection. Suddenly, an electric bike darts out from another road. The young man on the bike brakes hard after spotting the white car. But he was riding too fast. Couldn't stop. Finally, it slides and collides with a white car. It looks like the young man was also run over by a wheel. I guess the person is seriously injured. Friends who are not blind can see that. Actually, the young man hit the white car. It wasn't the white car that hit the young man. So, what Brother Go said is that he wants everyone to talk about this situation. Does the white car need to take responsibility for this? And also, next, this old man rides his beloved tricycle and runs a red light. As a result, he was hit by a black car going straight. The car is taking it easy. The impact was incredibly violent. I, like my dog, am terrified even through the screen. The old man is lying motionless on the ground. The injuries are probably quite serious. Although the accident was caused by the old man running a red light. The black car will likely be at least 50% responsible. Because his speed was a bit too fast. Or the traffic police didn't pay attention to the driver, it's enough to judge. That is judgment. So, everyone, you must remember. Even when crossing an intersection with a green light, you need to slow down. Even when driving. We must also be steady to win. Here's a submission from a fan, Lizzo. Let's see what kind of idiot he encountered. We can see that there's a traffic jam in the opposite lane. A small grey car is driving against traffic. And collided with our fan's car that was driving normally. Give it a thumbs up. Completely blocking the already narrow road. You say how selfish this kind of driver is. Such an infuriating dog. My blood pressure is soaring. My head is buzzing. I even feel like going crazy. Fan friends honk their horns to warn the oncoming car driver. But he is indifferent. So the two sides are deadlocked. They stalemated for about 3.1 for 15926 minutes. At this moment, a traffic officer appears in the frame. He points at the small car and berates the driver to back up. And the driver, who was just acting tough, instantly becomes obedient like a baby. As expected, professional problems still need to be handled by professionals. Otherwise, he'll never understand the meaning of limbs. The small grey car, under the supervision of the traffic officer, reverses back slowly. What you got, brother? I felt so relieved. This couldn't help but remind me of what my brother Watchung said. No more showing off, eh? But the only regret is, the traffic police only made him move a bit. It's really letting him off easy. Drivers like this are just scraps. They should be made to push their cars to the very, very end of the oncoming traffic. That's the only way to make him remember. Learn a lesson. Reflect on their faults. How to pass the future offences. As a warning to others. Be a law-abiding driver. Don't drive against traffic. The dashcam car and the white car were driving side by side. When they reached a crosswalk, the white car immediately accelerated and sped through. However, the dashcam car chose to stop and yield, allowing a beautiful woman to pass in front of the car. She blew a kiss to the driver to express her gratitude. The driver's courteous action actually got the highest form of respect. I guess he'll be laughing in his sleep tonight. Two big truck drivers had a conflict for some unknown reason. One of them actually lost his mind. Angrily climbed into the cab, with people in front of the car. He charged forward without hesitation. See this, the dog sex, made my hair stand on end. I did every. So, hold back a fart. The cab of another large truck was directly scraped and collapsed. The car window was also shattered. And the young man standing in front of the car, no one knows where he went. It is unknown whether he escaped successfully or was squeezed into neat paste. But regardless of whether the young man is okay, the driver at fault is definitely in big trouble. Because his actions have violated several criminal laws. For example, provoking trouble, endangering driving, intentionally damaging the property of others, intentional homicide or injury. Any one of these is enough. The driver at fault will suffer. The lightest sentence must start with years. So, impulse is the devil. The driver at fault is probably going to be ruined. When driving on the road, it is inevitable that you will encounter unpleasant things. But as a driver, you must have the ability to control your emotions. Otherwise, you will make a big mistake due to a moment of impulse. You must remember this. To the ladies and gentlemen in front of the screen. Please, please.